Let's turn these horror movie posters into friendly movie posters. Starting with case 39. Let's erase the original poster and I'm gonna place a nice cozy room background and a nice cozy couch. And we obviously need someone to sit on it. But I don't like her facial expression. So I got an image of a bunch of kids screaming with happiness. And I'm gonna select this one here and cut it out. That doesn't sound right. But anyways, let's trim the new thick part of his neck so he fit his hair perfect. But we have a huge problem. He has long hair. We have to fix that. I am going to fix that by painting over the hair with the color of the shirt. And that's actually looking good. Now we all know that in the movie, your fears come true. So in this version, your dreams come true. So I'm gonna do that starting by placing PS5. You obviously can't go to the toilet with the PS5. So I'll add a Nintendo. I'm gonna mask this part here to make it look like it's behind the console sitting. I don't know. He needs to be sleeping on Fortnite, so let's add a bunch of food. He's going to be hungry after long sessions of gaming, so we need to get him the Big Mac. Actually, 2 Big Mac and a grenade shake for hydration. Let's get him 2. Might as well add some vegetables because it's a bunch of giveaways. Another one here and then change the position so they look natural. Add a little motion there to them so that they look like they're falling, and mask this and this one to make him hold perfect. Now let's add shadows. Put everything together. I'm gonna place the title here, polish it with the camera and here is case 39 friendly version. Like the video so my dreams and your dreams can come true. Next poster is the nun. So let's import the original poster. The poster is only showing half of her face and it gives off mysterious vibes. So I got another image of the full body and I'm gonna erase the mysterious one. And now we are left with the creepy one. So to fix that, I got this white lady with a beautiful smile and I'm gonna sample her cheek and make the skin a little smooth. Okay, the skin is a little smooth, but he is still creepy. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna borrow the white lady's smile, place it over his mouth and blend it in. But now I have no words to describe how this looks now. But I got an idea how to fix it. I'm gonna color match the mouth to blend it in. Yeah, even though the smile is blended in, it still looks creepy. So I got another white lady with a less creepy smile and I'm gonna borrow it and do the color matching to the lip. Much better. This is starting to look less creepy. After that, I'm gonna put some little color because she is looking pale. I don't think this one is gonna beat the valak allegation. So I'm just gonna cut the face of another white granny, put her face over valak and blend it in. Much better. Now I'm gonna make her outfit a little bright to show that she's friendly. Then I'm gonna place a kid's playground as a background to make it even more friendly. And I'll add a cushion plate to it to separate her from the background. I'm gonna finish it with the title down here and the movie credits down here. Polish it with the camera raw filter. And here is the non-friendly version. Next poster is mirrors. Let's erase the original poster. I am going to build a toilet starting by placing the tiles on the background followed by a mirror. I am going to cut it out from its background and place it here and then place the scene down here. After that, I'm going to put this lady here and we need a reflection on the mirror. So I generated an image of her and I am going to clip it on the mirror. It's too big, let's move it down a little bit. Perfect. I got a picture of some of you guys chilling in the park and I'm going to clip it on the mirror to make it even more friendly. Let's fix this. Then I'm gonna add the shadows to connect everything together. I'm going to finish it by placing title here and the crease down here. And here is mirrors friendly version.